Hello, my name is Brooke Qualls and I'm an attorney at Parmele Law Firm. I work on our appellate team, which means I work with other attorneys and wonderful staff on different appeals throughout the Social Security disability process. And today I'm going to talk about the role of federal court or the United States District Court in the disability process. There can be many stages when trying to get disability benefits from Social Security. It starts with an application and can go up to an administrative law judge for a hearing and then to the appeals council. All of these steps happen within the Social Security Administration itself, which means staff and judges that work for the Social Security Administration make decisions about your case. But once you get to the appeals council, if you're denied again by Social Security, there is no further route within Social Security itself to take your case. At that point, to appeal your case, you would go to federal court. When a case is appealed to federal court, it is assigned to a United States District Court judge within your district. There are no more hearings, no new evidence is submitted or testimony given. The federal district court judge that is assigned the case considers whether or not the previous judges who reviewed your case or made decisions in your case made any legal error in your case. So the federal judge is not considering whether or not you're disabled, but whether or not the last judge did their job correctly within the law. The arguments are primarily made by writing briefs that are submitted to that federal court judge. A brief is a written argument that explains to this judge what the error was in the case. And the Social Security Administration gets an opportunity to reply to those arguments in a brief of their own. In some cases, depending on the judge that is assigned the case, there may be oral arguments ordered, but these oral arguments are not a hearing where testimony is given. They're just simply attorneys arguing the points of the legal error in front of the judge. After the judge has all of this information, they're able to make a decision about the case. Now, there are a few different outcomes that can happen in these cases. One, if the federal court judge agrees that the Social Security Administration made no legal errors when considering the case, they will just affirm the case. If the federal judge finds that there was a legal error, however, they will reverse the decision and send it back to Social Security. A couple of things can happen, and that depends on the federal court judge. The first and the most common thing that happens whenever your case is sent back to Social Security is that they order the previous administrative law judge or another administrative law judge to fix that legal error that was made in the case. Or in rare cases, the federal judge will send it back to Social Security and order them to find the individual disabled and to pay the benefits. Like I said, that's a more rare option. And the more common thing is that they'll reverse the case and require Social Security through an administrative law judge to fix the error. And that is a basic introduction into what the role of federal court is in the Social Security disability process, and I hope you found this information helpful.